Adrian! I want to film you. Where are you? I'm coming. I'm not letting it slip. I called it a boat from the ferry boat. Shit, there's fucking water. I've got to film this. I'm intrigued. I've only got one viewer. Don't worry about it. I'm coming. Don't go. I'm not letting this go. Ladies and gentlemen, my very good friend Adrian is going across the water from the ferry boat on a boat. I must film it. Pardon?
No, don't do this, honestly, don't do this.
Fuck! What do you mean don't do it?
Don't do it.
I'm only filming a boat. Okay, I won't then. I'll stand back. I won't argue with a lady.
That was good, wasn't it?
It was marvellous, and I'm sorry that I followed you, but it's just a great story. I love you, Adrian.
And you, Danny.
And I love you, Trace.
I love you too, Danny, but there's certain things I don't want filmed.
I'm not filming.
They can't see you in the bloody dark.
They can't see anything.
He's part of there, look.
So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a boat over there, and my friends are going across the water. I just wanted to film it, but it's respectful not to film it, so I won't film it. But I'm going to stand here and imagine that I'm filming it. So maybe I'm filming it in my imagination. But, ladies and gentlemen, my two good friends took a boat from the ferry boat from Point Clear to Brightlingsea. How about that for a story? Ladies and gentlemen, shine on, because I respect Tracy and I respect Adrian, and I won't film anymore. But they are getting a boat across the land, across the sea, and I was glad that I was here to film it. We had a wonderful night at the ferry boat, and I'm going to say shine on to you all. And look, there's a boat over there. Look, a boat over there. Look, boat. Boat.